Let's begin our journey by finding out more about who speaks Arabic and where Arabic is mainly spoken. It is estimated that around 270 million people speak Arabic around the world. If we have a look at this map of distribution of Arabic, countries in green recognize Arabic as a sole official language, and countries in dark blue recognize Arabic as a co-official language with a majority of native Arabophones. Countries in light blue recognize Arabic as a co-official language due to significant Arabophone minorities or for historical or cultural reasons. Let's look at the number of Arabic speakers in countries with Arabic as an official or co-official language, starting from the highest in number: Egypt, Algeria, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Morocco, Iraq, Syria, Yemen, Tunisia, Jordan, Libya, Lebanon, Somalia, Palestine, United Arab Emirates, Mauritania, Oman, Kuwait, Chad, Qatar, and the islands of Comoros, Bahrain, Eritrea, and Djibouti. The total number of speakers is estimated to be around 270 million. In addition to these countries, Arabic is spoken in several other places, such as in Turkey, where 1.2% of the population speaks Arabic, and in Iran, where it is taught as a second language in schools. Keep in mind that there are 1.9 billion Muslims in the world, Islam being the second largest religion, and every practicing Muslim has some knowledge of Arabic, either by prayer, reading or reciting the holy book of the Quran.